Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Rouge. And on this Nissan Rouge we're going to go over how you would be able to get inside the vehicle. Say your battery's dead on your car or the key fob battery's dead. So you go to unlock the door by hitting the button, and you're used to the door unlocking as well as unlocking or locking. Well, your battery's dead in your vehicle, or the battery's dead in your hand key fob. Now this, we do see the keyhole, so it's not like a big issue, except we just gotta remove the key to come out, put the key in, turn it, and then unlock the door. Also, you can manually lock the door that way too. All else fails, but you'd unlock the door, then you'd reach in, pop the hood to get in here, and here is your hood release lever. Is right here, and so you would reach down here and pull that lever to be able to pop your hood, to be able to get in, to jump start your vehicle if it's your car battery. And if it was this battery, you won't need to replace this immediately, but for you to not have to manually unlock your car doors, you would replace this battery also. That's how you would get into your vehicle if the batteries aren't working. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.